This is solvatten. You can fill in this 5 plus 5 liters, so 10 liters. You pour in one where the sign is, it's a sign, and then you have a fine mesh filter. And when you have filled both containers, you press. You open it and you press. It's an indicator, and it's a red phase. That means that you have to start the process. And then when it's filled, you just put it in the sun with some good angle to the sun. And then the sun does the work. So when you come back from the rice field or from the school, you see, aha, it's a green phase. The water is safe. And safe to drink, but also warm to use for hygiene or making the dishes. So it's very simple method. Important is also you work with now it looks very clear, the water, but very turbid water. And that all microorganisms should be exposed for the UV light. You need some kind of turbulence. And this solvatten has a special, is created in a way that you create the temperature differences within the container. And that makes a turbulence, and that's good for the exposure of the microorganisms for the UV light. Solvatten consists of different parts, a combination, a system of filter and UV light, heat and turbulence. But it's very easy to understand the method. It's user friendly, so you don't need high technical skills to understand how you use it. You just fill it with water, you press the indicator, a red phase shows. You show it you lay it in the sun for a couple of hours, and then when you come back, it's the red phase turned green, and then it's a safe water. So you don't really need any extra technical skills, and that's important. It's user friendly. My inspiration to work with solvatten was the fact that people are living with dirty water around the world, and the children suffering from bad water, easy preventable, but the people living with a lot of solar energy, not using it, with lack of electricity and dirty water. And that was the start for solvatten 11 years ago.
In Nepal, waterborne disease is one of the largest problem, and every year thousands of people die. We have a cholera epidemic, typhoid epidemic, dysentery, diarrhea is very, very much common. The reason is water quality, because we don't have proper water quality in all. As I told you before, all water supply system in Nepal, we have some kind of microbial contamination.
Waterborne diseases are quite common in our place because the water supply is very poor in the sense the people drink out of river, and which is polluted, which is infected. Lot of sewer go to the river. During the rainy season, it's washed. Everything is washed into the river, and people drink from the river. So we have lot of patients coming during the rainy season. It is difficult because any project that comes for drinking water, it is not sustainable. It has not been designed to be sustainable. There are some organizations, big international organizations, come and they do it and they just leave it. And after 6 months or 1 year, the tap closes. There's no maintenance, nothing, and it doesn't work.
You go up, the atmosphere is thinner. You have more UV, so I think even if the ambient temperature is low, the UV works more. The UV fraction works more on the water treatment, and I think my experience with the SORIS experiments back in 2002, we found out that at the higher you go, there's more UV intensity, and our results were also very good compared to the lowlands. With high UV, we achieved 100% removal of pathogens from the water.